Hi everyone and welcome back to a new walkthrough video. Today I'm sharing with you a big photo album 20 by 25 cm with 4.5 cm spine. I covered the album with pink fabric and I used white lace, chipboards and flowers to decorate the cover. I used two different digital paper bundles by Nitwit Collections and you can easily download them to make your own baby projects. You can always find the links you need down below in the description area. So, on the first page I made a digital card using the elements from the collection to make the newborn card with the date the baby was born, the height of it, and I simply printed it because I wanted the cards to be in my luggage. I did the same with all the cards that have every month on them. In the kit, of course, you will find all these cards in English, but you can also create your own in your language as I did. The album has a lot of photo mats to place pictures 10 by 15 cm, smaller or bigger ones. Here is an insert for the second and third month and I am using a piece of cardstock 10 by 15 cm to show you how you can put your pictures on the album. On this page I made two small frames with acetate to stick two small photos. The combination of these two collections I used are simply adorable. Here I made a double pocket with 4 photo mats to stick your photos. Here is a pocket with a sweet little bear down there. Here is another beautiful element, a sweet giraffe. You can tack a photo behind this lion if you like. On the next page I made a classic waterfall. And here behind this lovely bear I placed the card for the 9th month. On the next page I made a gatefold which opens in this way. Here is a beautiful little elephant that holds a birthday cake, 3 balloons and says happy first birthday. And last but not least, I made an expanding folder that can hold a lot of pictures. I made also a fun pop-up card for small photos and an envelope to hold all these printable elements I didn't use to decorate the album. I hope you got inspired. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!